Keeping your Dyson vacuum even more versatile is simple with the right mop attachment. This video highlights 5 of the best Dyson mop attachments in 2026, combining efficient cleaning, smart design, and reliable performance. Whether for daily spills or deep floor care, these picks help upgrade your cleaning routine. Let's get started. Number 5. Mop Head Kit for Dyson. This electric mop head kit is specifically designed for Dyson models Vethaman, Vetten 11, and V15, transforming your vacuum into a combined vacuum and mop system. Constructed from high-quality, durable plastic, it is lightweight and installs effortlessly without tools, making it an immediate upgrade for your cleaning routine. Its dual motor mechanism spins at 160 rotations per minute, allowing it to remove tough stains, dust, and grime efficiently. This makes it particularly effective in kitchens and high-traffic areas where regular cleaning can be time-consuming. The mop head includes a built-in water reservoir that lightly moistens the microfiber pads during use, ensuring optimal cleaning performance without over-wetting floors. The kit comes with 6 reusable microfiber mop pads, suitable for scrubbing, waxing, and maintaining multiple floor types such as tile, marble, and hardwood. The mop glides smoothly, reducing effort while delivering a thorough clean. Users benefit from a lifetime warranty and responsive customer support, providing added confidence in the product's durability and performance. For anyone who already owns a compatible Dyson vacuum, this mop head kit offers a convenient, time-saving solution that elevates floor cleaning to a professional level. Fast, effective, and user-friendly, it ensures spotless results with minimal effort. Pros: efficient cleaning and easy installation. Cons: not suitable for soaking wet surfaces or standing waters. Number 4. Brush Head for Dyson. This direct drive cleaning brush head is designed for Dyson Vetten, V11, and V15 vacuum cleaners, providing a powerful upgrade for everyday cleaning. It is not compatible with Dyson V12 or other brands, as differing battery power levels could damage the brush head motor. Installation is fast and simple thanks to the built-in quick release button, and it can be attached directly to the vacuum or used with the extension wand for extended reach. Constructed from durable ABS plastic, the brush head is built to last. The bristles combine tough nylon and carbon fiber, effectively lifting and removing stubborn dirt from both hard floors and short pile carpets. Its flexible rotating design allows easy access under furniture and cabinets, reaching dust and debris that standard tools often miss. Equipped with 2 smooth wheels, it glides back and forth effortlessly, reducing strain and speeding up your cleaning routine. Ideal for deep cleaning living rooms or quick sweeps through kitchens, this brush head delivers consistent and powerful performance on every path. Users also benefit from responsive after-sales service, ensuring support is available to address any issues promptly. This makes it a reliable and practical addition for anyone with a compatible Dyson vacuum. Pros: durable and efficient for multiple surfaces. Cons: incompatible with certain Dyson models and other brands. Number 3. Head replacement for Dyson. This roller brush head replacement is designed for Dyson cordless vacuum models Vetten, V11, and V15, compatible with versions S11, S12, S14, S15, S22, S25, S27, and S28. It is not suitable for Dyson V6, Von, Slim, or other slim models. Constructed from durable ABS plastic, the head features a soft roller made of nylon and carbon fiber, delivering effective cleaning while protecting your floors. It works best on wooden, marble, and tiled surfaces and is not recommended for carpets. The brush head measures 26 centimeters in width, providing wider surface coverage to speed up cleaning. 4 built-in LED headlights illuminate dark corners and areas under furniture, making it easier to spot and remove dust. Its flexible design allows vertical rotation up to 90 degrees and horizontal rotation up to 180 degrees, ensuring access to hard-to-reach spaces. The roller can be removed easily for maintenance and cleaning. Installation is straightforward with a quick release mechanism, and this head replaces Dyson parts 966,489.8 and 966,489.11. The roller glides smoothly, offering effortless maneuverability and a comfortable cleaning experience. This replacement is brand new, made with high-quality materials for long-lasting use, and is backed by a 12-month warranty along with responsive customer service, making it a practical and reliable upgrade for compatible Dyson vacuums. Pros: wide coverage, smooth gliding, LED lights. Cons: not suitable for carpets or slim Dyson models. Number 2. Mop Head for Dyson. This electric mop head is designed for Dyson Z7, Vetten, V11, and V15 vacuum cleaners, combining vacuuming and mopping into a single, efficient cleaning system. Equipped with a high-powered dual-spin motor operating at 200 rotations per minute, it delivers deep cleaning on surfaces such as ceramic tile, marble, glass, and wooden floors, covering up to 15 square meters per minute. The front roller brush captures dust, debris, and hair, while the rear mop pads provide thorough wiping. A 240 milliliter water tank supports 2 adjustable water output modes, offering precise control for mopping and even floor waxing. 4 bright LED headlights illuminate dark areas under sofas, beds, and cabinets, ensuring no dirt is missed. The mop head rotates 180 degrees left and right and 90 degrees up and down, allowing full flexibility for tight or low spaces. Included in the package are 1 electric mop head, 6 reusable mop pads, 1 trigger lock, and 1 water cup. The trigger lock allows hands-free operation, eliminating the need to hold the button while cleaning. Constructed from durable plastic and rigorously tested for compatibility, this mop head transforms your Dyson vacuum into an all-in-one cleaning powerhouse. Its design delivers efficient, consistent performance, making it ideal for busy households that require spotless floors with minimal effort. Pros: deep cleaning with dual spin motor and LED lights. Cons: water tank may need frequent refilling for large areas. Number 1. Stand storage bracket for Dyson. Designed for Dyson cordless vacuum users, this stand storage bracket offers a practical and organized way to store models from V6 through V15, including V10, V11, V12 Slim, and V15 Detect. Built from durable cast iron, the structure feels solid and reliable, providing a stable upright solution without the need to drill into walls. This makes it especially useful for renters or anyone wanting a damage-free setup. The stand measures 51 inches in height and features a heavy-duty base with a double-position design that helps prevent slipping or tipping. With 5 integrated hooks, it can hold up to 8 vacuum heads or attachments, keeping everything neatly arranged and easy to access. Its floor-standing design allows flexible placement in any room, whether it is a storage corner or cleaning area. Attention to detail is clear in the smooth welded joints and rounded edges, giving it a clean and modern appearance that blends well with home interiors. Assembly is quick and simple, requiring only 2 basic steps. While the docking station is not included, the stand is designed to support it if you already own one. For best stability, slightly adjusting the cleaner brush before placing it ensures a secure fit. Pros: strong build, no drilling, large storage capacity. Cons: not compatible with Omni-Glide and Micro models. Choosing the right mop attachment can make a noticeable difference in how effectively your Dyson handles hard floors. Each option offers unique strengths to match different cleaning needs, from quick touch-ups to deeper cleaning sessions. Pick the one that fits your routine best and enjoy a more efficient, all-in-one cleaning experience.